Guys, remember this place? Doesn't it look familiar? This place is where our late Rahul Rai, the lead singer of band Tribal Rain, performed their Narisawna album. So this is where they recorded the album. Narisawna timi bahek mero jiwan sunne cha. Yeah, that song was recorded right here in Monsoon. Hello doggy, what are you doing? There are 3 dogs. So, four dogs. So this is the place where they recorded the album. So I hope Rahul Rai is in heaven. I know he is in heaven. Good people die first. So love you, Rahul Rai. Love your family.